Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look right here. I wanted to go for something that was autumnal and really glam at the same time. So I really wanted to test out these two Pat McGrath products. I got the new Dark Star Mascara, and whilst I was on the website buying it, I also found this palette which was on sale for £11. I've been dying to try some Pat McGrath eyeshadows, so I thought I would test this little baby out. There are 5 shimmer shades in here and they are all I used on my eyes today. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe. It would make my day. And also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this kind of content. And if you want to see how I got this look right here, then please keep watching. Okay, so today the main star of the show is going to be the Pat McGrath Labs Ecstasy Sublime palette. I'll show you what it looks like up on the screen now. So this is a 5 shadow palette. It's got a very coppery, goldy feel to it, and they're all shimmer shades. So we'll see what I come up with using just the palette, and then if I feel like I need some matte shades, I will dive into another palette. I'm also going to be using the Dark Star Mascara. I have used this a couple of times and I absolutely love it, so I'm going to be showing you what it looks like today. But the vibe I'm going for today is very cozy autumnal glam. Before I start, I'm just going to prime my eyes using my Nars Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. Next, I'm just going to take a black kohl liner. I'm taking this one by Revolution, and I'm going to line my upper lash line. And I'm just going to smoke it out using a small smudger brush. Okay, I'm just going to quickly go and do my mascara, and I'm going to show you the before and after. Okay, so hopefully you could see the difference with the mascara. Just to let you know, my lashes are curled, so like a lash lift, but a lash curl. I got it done a couple of weeks ago, so obviously that will contribute to the lift of the lashes and how long they look. However, I did try this before I got the lash lift, and I just curled my lashes with my eyelash curler, and I absolutely loved how they look. I just think it makes them look so long and so full, and I quite like the formula. It's quite thick and creamy, and I find that with more watery formulas, it doesn't quite give that same amount of volume to my lashes, and it tends to just smudge down my face really easily. And it's £28, which is expensive for a mascara, but it's not the most expensive thing on Pat's website, so to be honest, I was quite happy with that. Okay, I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face. So to bronze, I'm using my Nars Matte Laguna bronzer. So I just recently got these brushes. They're from BH Cosmetics, and I do have some BH Cosmetics brushes already that I really like. I use this brush, which is pretty dense, for my cream bronzer, and this brush for my powder bronzer, and it's also quite dense. And they're so soft, but honestly, my bronzer has been going on so much less patchy when I've been using these. So I think my initial review of my Fenty cream bronzer is probably gonna have to be redacted now, because I think I was just using the wrong brushes the whole time. But yeah, if you're in the market for some new brushes, BH Cosmetics do really good ones. I've had some for years, for example this one, and I just find that when I wash them in particular, I notice that they retain their shape really well. They stay fluffy. So this one is BH Cosmetics and this one is Smashbox. And I don't know how well you can see that, but this Smashbox one, whenever I wash it, it just seems to kind of get more and more frayed. But this one has retained its shape so well and remained really fluffy. And they're also really good value. So if you are looking for any, I would recommend BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna use my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in First Love. And I love a pale, cool toned lip with a smoky eye. So I'm gonna go in and line my lips using Strip Down. For lipstick, I'm using my Fenty Beauty Slip Shine lipstick in Glazed. And to highlight the center, I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of No. 7 Iced Pink. I love that I bought this as a joke for that school challenge, and I actually use it as a highlight lipstick sometimes. And finally, to set my face, I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty setting spray. And this is the final result. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Personally, I love this kind of look. This is my go-to glam look. I am obsessed with autumn. It's my favorite season. And this whole look just screams autumnal glam to me. I am so impressed with these eyeshadows, and the fact that they were £11 is just making my day. This was on sale, but it was originally £22. So, I mean, it's still very expensive for a 5 eyeshadow palette. But if you wanted to get something and you're on a bit of a budget and you want to try some Pat McGrath eyeshadows, try going for a smaller palette like this one first and see how you get on. I would definitely recommend this one. It's the Ecstasy Sublime palette. I used every shade on my lid, and considering they're all shimmers, I actually think they performed really well in my crease. So I definitely think I'll get a lot of use out of this palette. I'll be reaching for it again for sure. And the mascara I just absolutely love. I think it makes my eyelashes look so nice. And I think the packaging's really pretty. I just like it. And I think Pat McGrath is one of those brands that when I can afford to, I will probably splurge on one of the bigger palettes. But until then, I'm just gonna stick to these two. I think I could probably get quite a few looks out of this palette. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I'm just gonna use my Charlotte